In this video, I will exactly tell you how to set up correctly a domain, what can you use your domain for, how can you host it, and how can you connect it into Gohighlevel. So first off, how can you get into the domain section? You go to settings and you can go to domains and URL redirects. Also, if you go into the sites tab, you can go to this settings widget and you get to this domains tab. So first off, there are two ways to buy a domain. The first is inside Gohighlevel, where you put purchase or transfer domain, and let's say you search for domain attilamesaros.com, and you see that this domain is not available because I own it, and yeah, basically you cannot buy it, but you can buy this one for $11 a year. You can buy it inside GHL, which I recommend because you don't have to hassle with updating DNS records yourself. It is basically automated. The other way to host a domain is you buy it like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Let me show you this site, GoDaddy, this site, or Namecheap, this right here, where you can basically buy a domain. You set up the DNS records yourself, which GHL gives you. It is very, very simple. It takes like 5 minutes, and then you connect your domain here. Let's say you have a domain and you connect it. Let's say I have this domain freecourse.attilamesaros.com. I connect this domain to a funnel website or webinar, and I press continue, and I also add www at, because some people search for your domain with www, which makes it much easier for people to find your site. All right, your domain is already authorized, so I can check out what type of records do I have to add, or how I can upgrade my domain, or how I can manage it. So as you can see, I have these internal domains, and I can manage this domain, and there are the DNS records which I can upgrade. I can add DNS records or remove DNS records here. GHL basically gives you DNS records to update when you add or connect a domain, so it is really, really easy. Other ways you can connect a domain is if you come to sites. Let's say you have a funnel here, and you press settings, then you can add this domain into the funnel. Let's say the first step, or you can add the website, and you can select which is the home page when people get to when they write your domain into their browser. Also, you can host stores, webinars, blogs, WordPress sites, even forms and surveys, and also calendars in your domains. And if you come to email services, I have a dedicated domain for this subaccount. This is my newsletter, and you can see that I have lead connector connected, and if I press view configuration, I have a dedicated domain here, as you can see, and I can even configure it. I can add my domain into a calendar, to payments, one-on-one conversation domain, bulk email domain, campaign domain, workflow domain, even client portal domain, and I have just only set up this default dedicated domain for my subaccount. So yeah, basically this is it. If you want more detailed help on setting up your GHL account, you can come to my free course. There are a lot of free resources for people who just starting out, and when you sign up through me, you get a whole lot of bonuses. I will put it in the description. I don't want to hard pitch you here. As you can see, I have every single button detailed video about it. I have also a compass, how to start out with your high level, and I have also other starter courses. So yeah, that's it. See you inside. I'm active every single day, and we have more than 1,000 members. And as you can see, we have 64 comments on a post that Andy just made, or Regis made a post where there are 31 comments. So this is a very, very active community. See you inside.